This is my short review of the Epson WorkForce WF-2960. In this video, I'll share with you 3 things I like about this printer and 3 things I don't like that much. So let's get started right away. First thing I like is that it's very easy to use. It has this touchscreen and I really wish every single printer had a touchscreen because it's so easy to navigate. It's just like a smartphone. You want to make a copy, here you go. You want to make a scan, there it is. You can also fax. Not many people will use this function, and you have all the other settings over here. You can also jump directly to the Wi-Fi settings from anywhere on the screen by tapping the top part over here, and this opens up. So you can connect it with your smartphone or computer. And this whole control panel is able to move up in case you're standing up to access to it very easily, or if you're sitting on a chair, just put it down and you're gonna have access to it this way. The second thing I like is that it's coming with 2 different scanners. It may look very slim, but it has a basic scanner glass here, like most printers, where you need to place your document one at a time. It also has an automatic document feeder. If you have multiple pages, you just have to slide them in like this, and the scanner will take them one by one and scan them. Maximum 30 pages capacity. And finally, the third thing I like about this printer is its size. It has many features, but if we check over here, it's under 15 inches wide, barely 9 inches tall, and about 12 inches and a half deep. Usually printers with that many features, including an automatic document feeder, are bigger in size. Now let me talk about the things I didn't like that much about this printer. The first one is that it's very expensive to print. Now this is a reality of any inkjet printer using cartridges, and this one is no exception. To have access to the ink cartridges, you just have to lift everything here, the whole panel. If you're going to buy an ink cartridge based printer, this one is one of the cheapest to maintain because each colors have their own cartridges. Many competitors, including from HP, are coming with 2 cartridges only, one for black ink, and the colors are all combined into one cartridge. So if you're using, let's say, the color blue more than the yellow, you'll still have to replace the whole cartridge since it will be depleted. While over here, if the blue runs out, you just have to take it out, replace only the blue, and you're good to go. So it's a lot less wasteful. But since this printer is around $140 US, I don't think it's very economical. For just a bit more money, you can get one of those Epson EcoTank. I have 2 of them, and they come included with enough ink to last 4,000 copies. So after a year of usage, the EcoTank, although it costs more to buy, will be much cheaper to run. Now, if we quickly check the print quality, I would say that it's pretty average. For a printer that cost, again, around $140, I was expecting a bit more. For example, Brother is making a printer much cheaper than this one. For $100, you can print at around 6,000 dpi times 1,200 dpi. While this one, the WorkForce 2960, is able to print at 4,800 dpi times 1,200. It's not bad, but if you intend to print mostly pictures, there's better choices out there. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get this printer or the other ones from Amazon. If you simply want a printer for your home office or maybe at work, I think this one will do a great job. You see over here the results, the colors are pretty fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that you'll get much better details from other printers. And finally, another thing that I wish was improved is the way to connect it to your computer. Well, I didn't have any troubles to do so. It just took more time than other competitors. You have to go on the Epson website and download the driver from there. Then you need to load the software you just downloaded, and Epson will try to sell you those extended warranties. They will try to make you install on your computer many softwares that are not helping many of their softwares that have nothing to do with the driver. They'll also ask you if you want to give your personal data so they can analyze it and improve their system. Downloading a driver should only take a few seconds or minutes. I feel that Epson is using this opportunity that you need to download the driver from their website to sell you their other services, and this can be bothersome a bit. Overall, although it has those shortcomings, I still recommend this printer, but for very specific people. If you absolutely need a printer with these features, that is an automatic scanner, a printer that is able to print on both sides, I didn't show you, but it's able, since it has duplex printing. If you need a fax machine, if you need all these features and you're going to print around 80 pages a month or less, this could be an okay option. If you're printing more, definitely go and check those tank-based printer. Not only from Epson, the EcoTank, but there's also Canon with their Mega Tank, and HP is doing the same thing as well. These will be much cheaper to run on the long term. Again, if you want to support my channel, check the Amazon link in the description down below. Every time you buy something, I get a very small commission and I can keep buying this printer. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.